Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to style more than one element in a CSS, like XHTML and CSS. Now let's go ahead and see it, because if you look at the previous one we did, we style one by one. Like if we have header, we style the header first, then we style the paragraph again. Like that we did one by one. Here we are going to see how to do both of them. Anything, not both of them, you can do multiple things together at once. Okay, that's what we are going to see. First, to do that, first I'm going to type something in the body. Let's put h1. Okay, h1 header 1, and I close it like this, \h1, and inside of this one I'm gonna just type, this is the header, this is the header, and then I'm gonna create a paragraph p, close it with \p, and I'm gonna just type, this is a paragraph. It's a paragraph. Okay, now when I refresh this one, you can see we have a header and a paragraph, and we can also type something. This is our body. Okay, now you can see this is our body, and we have header and a paragraph. Now what we are going to do is, let's say we are going to change this this header and paragraph into red color. Let's see how can we do it together. To do that, we have to just type h1 for header, h1 here for the header, and then paragraph we put p. And the thing is, we just try to put a comma and header, paragraph, and whatever you want to change, you just put comma, 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 and put all the elements you want to change. Here we are going to change header 1 and paragraph all together into red color. To do that, I just put color, colon, red, semicolon, and close the curly bracket. Now when I refresh this one, you can see header 1 and the paragraph changed into red. That's what we want. That's how we can style multiple things together at once, and that's it for the multiple things at once thing. And the next thing is, we are going to look at another thing called span. To see that, I'm going to get rid of all these things and do it again. Okay, get rid of everything I typed. Okay, in this one I'm going to just type something. Okay, p, paragraph. I'm going to create a paragraph, close the paragraph with \p, and inside of this one I'm going to just type something. This is a paragraph, and I love playing video games, and it is Dota 2. Okay, now here I'm gonna just create a span, and I close it right here, \span. Okay, then inside of this style I'm gonna change the span into bold color and also green color. Okay, to do that, I just put span right here, and semicolon. To change this one into bold, we put font dash weight, and then colon, bold, and semicolon. And then to change the color into green, I put color, colon, green, and semicolon, and close everything with curly bracket. Now when I run this one, you can see this is a paragraph, and I love playing video games. That's our span. Start from I love playing video games and ends at games. Okay, starts at I and ends at games. That you can see, that's the only part changed into bold and green. That's what we want. So when you have multiple things in a paragraph, and you want to only change a particular part into certain different thing, this is how you do that. You put span in the part you want to change, and you can mention it in the style, and you can change it. That's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.